In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in Edge. Let's dive right into it. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Look towards the top right corner of your browser. You should see the Copilot icon, which might look like a sparkle or the blue Copilot logo. Click on this icon. By doing so, you will open the Copilot sidebar panel. This panel is where all the magic happens. It's your gateway to a smarter browsing experience. Once you have the sidebar open, you can start interacting with Copilot. It can answer questions about the web page you're currently viewing. You can type questions like, "Summarize this page," or "What are the key points here?" You might also ask, "Explain this article in simple terms," or "What is the main idea of this PDF?" Copilot will read the page and provide a response based on its content. This is incredibly useful because it saves you time by giving you quick insights into the page. This feature is especially beneficial for students and researchers. Now, let's explore how Copilot can assist you while browsing multiple tabs. Copilot can compare information across different tabs, summarize multiple pages, and help you research without needing to switch tabs constantly. For instance, you can ask Copilot, "Compare these two products I opened," or "Which of these articles is more reliable?" This ability to synthesize information from various tabs is powerful. It ensures you have all the details you need to make informed decisions without getting lost in multiple windows. If your version of Edge supports it, you can also use voice commands with Copilot Vision. Look for the microphone icon. Clicking it allows you to speak your queries instead of typing them. Copilot can see the page and respond in real time. This feature is designed to make your browsing experience even more seamless. It's perfect for when you're multitasking or prefer speaking over typing. Remember, it's not always about speed, it's about convenience and efficiency. Next up, let's talk about quick actions. In many cases, Copilot will suggest buttons like "Summarize this page," "Explain this topic," "Draft a response," or "Compare options." All you need to do is click these buttons to get an instant response. Quick actions eliminate the need for typing, making it easier to get the information or assistance you need with just a click. Finally, let's summarize what Copilot can do inside Edge. Copilot can summarize articles, PDFs, and websites, making it easier to digest large amounts of information quickly. It can explain complex content in simpler terms, perfect for when you encounter technical or dense material. It can also help you write emails or text, making you more productive in your daily tasks. Additionally, Copilot can compare products across tabs or summarize YouTube videos, providing insights and saving you time. It's a versatile tool to aid in research and decision-making. With that ready, you've now learned how to use Microsoft Copilot in Edge effectively. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier. By utilizing these features, you can enhance your browsing experience and accomplish more in less time. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing!